A small particle moves to the position from its phi plus 2j plus k from its initial position 2i plus 3j minus 4k under the action of the force 5i plus 2j plus 7k newtons. The value of work done will be. See, we know that work done will be the scalar, which is actually equal to f vector f dot vector dr, right? And what is dr? Change in the displacement. What is change in displacement? It is the final displacement minus the initial displacement. Now let us say that the initial position vector 5i minus 2j plus kb r1. So r1 is equal to, moves to the position from its initial 2i plus 3j minus 4k. So say ri is equal to 2i plus 3j minus 4k and rf is equal to 5i minus 2j plus k. And therefore, what is dr? It is r2 minus r1 or r final minus r initial, which is 5i plus 2j plus 7k minus not, this is force. Maybe I'll write it like this, things will become better to use colors here. Yeah. So we have 5i plus 2j plus 7k, which is the vector force dot, right? Dot. What is r2 minus rf minus ri? What is 5i minus 2i? It is 3i. What is minus 2j minus 3j? It is minus 5j. What is k minus minus 4? It is plus 5k, because k minus minus 4 is k plus 4k, which is 5k. Now we have the dot product, right? Now how do you take dot product? You will multiply 5i with 5i dot 3i. See, that concept is really important. For those who know, you have the answer here. Otherwise, if you hear it the first time, I would say let us spend some more time in work energy power in the dot product. So we have 5 into 3, 15 into I dot I. What is I dot I? See, I dot I basically means we have two vectors, unit vectors along positive x-axis, I and I. So what is the axis between, what is the angle between these two vectors? Exactly, the angle between these two vectors is 0, right? Therefore, what is I dot I? Magnitude of I into magnitude of I, magnitude of I cap into magnitude of I cap dot cos theta. What is magnitude of I cap? See, being an unit vector, right? Being an unit vector, what is the magnitude? The magnitude is 1. So it is 1 into cos theta. To be more precise, I have to write here 1 into 1 because you may be confused with the dot. Okay. So now we have 1 into cos theta, which is 1 into 1, and therefore I dot I is 1. Similarly, what is I dot j? Magnitude of I cap into magnitude of j cap into cos theta. What is magnitude of I cap? It is 1. What is magnitude of j cap? It is 1. What is theta here? Angle between I cap and j cap, which is 90 degree. Therefore, cos 90. And therefore, I dot j, I cap shouldn't be cross. It should be I dot j, I cap dot j cap should be equal to 0. Okay. All right. Now, so similarly, we can write that j dot j is also equal to. So what is I dot I equal to? What is I dot I equal to? This is equal to 1. What is j dot j equal to? This is equal to 1. What is k dot k equal to? K dot k is equal to 1. And 5 into 3 is 15. 2 into 5 is minus 10. 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 15 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. And therefore the answer is 40 joules.